Welcome to Demolition Worker. Today we witness the breathtaking new dawn over the Strait of Hormuz, a true miracle of environmental recovery. The dark shadows of the past have finally vanished. We look upon the clear blue ocean completely free from toxic black oil. Gentle waves now wash over the pristine sandy beaches. Not a single trace of the devastating disaster remains on this beautiful coastline. Seabirds soar high above the sparkling water once again. Their joyful flight symbolizes the ultimate triumph of our dedicated marine cleanup campaign. Beneath the surface, the marine ecosystem breathes a sigh of relief. Schools of silverfish return to their vibrant natural underwater habitats. Environmental experts arrive on small boats at the break of dawn. They carry advanced testing equipment to carefully analyze the ocean water. Scientists gently lower their glass vials into the deep blue sea. They collect pure water samples to conduct the final safety inspections. Inside the floating laboratory, researchers examine the samples under powerful microscopes. They look for any hidden microscopic signs of residual chemical pollution. The testing screens display green indicators across the board. The team smiles brightly, officially confirming the complete restoration of this precious ecosystem. Nature has remarkable healing powers when given the right support. Our dedicated teams worked day and night to make this miracle possible. We shift our focus back to the massive cargo vessel. The damaged ship now rests safely inside a massive industrial dry dock. Heavy cranes surround the gigantic steel structure of the ship. Engineers inspect the damaged hull to plan the extensive structural repair process. Bright sparks fly as skilled welders patch the broken steel plates. They work tirelessly to breathe new life into this mighty vessel. The ship will soon return to the vast open ocean. It stands as a powerful testament to human resilience and modern engineering. Out on the horizon, the Strait of Hormuz awakens once more. Huge cargo ships smoothly navigate through the vital international shipping lanes. This crucial economic artery pulses with renewed energy and busy traffic. Global trade flows freely again without any fear of environmental disaster. We must take a moment to honor our brave cleanup crews. These dedicated professionals faced immense challenges to protect our fragile oceans. Heavy machinery operators drove massive excavators along the polluted shores. They scooped up tons of toxic sludge to save the marine environment. Environmental engineers designed innovative containment booms to stop the spreading oil. Their brilliant strategies prevented a much larger ecological catastrophe from happening. The demolition worker team proved that no disaster is truly impossible. Together, we can overcome the darkest challenges and restore natural beauty. Golden sunlight dances across the gentle ripples of the sea. The morning breeze carries the fresh and salty scent of clean water. Local fishermen cast their large nets into the abundant ocean waters. They smile as they pull up a healthy and bountiful catch. Children run along the clean shoreline with pure joy and laughter. They build sand castles where toxic black sludge once covered the earth. A pod of dolphins breaches the surface in perfect harmony. Their playful jumps celebrate the return of crystal clear and safe waters. The coral reefs below show vibrant colors of pink and green. Tiny marine creatures explore the restored crevices of their underwater homes. Marine biologists dive deep to document the incredible ecological recovery process. Their underwater cameras capture the beautiful resurgence of diverse aquatic life. Every drop of water now sparkles with absolute purity and life. The extensive filtration systems have successfully removed all harmful chemical pollutants. The coastal vegetation also shows signs of fresh and vibrant growth. Green shoots emerge from the sand, stabilizing the fragile beach ecosystem. Crabs scurry across the wet rocks near the gentle ocean surf. They search for food in a completely clean and natural environment. The massive oil skimmer boats are finally returning to the port. Their vital mission is complete, leaving behind a perfectly pristine ocean. Port authorities officially declare the shipping lanes completely safe and open. Captains sound their loud horns in a joyous maritime celebration chorus. The radar screens track dozens of large vessels entering the strait. The busy maritime traffic brings economic prosperity back to the region. Coast Guard helicopters patrol the clear skies above the busy waterway. They monitor the safe passage of every single massive oil tanker. The dry dock echoes with the sounds of heavy industrial machinery. The damaged cargo ship receives a completely new layer of paint. Giant propellers are carefully polished to a bright, shining finish. The mighty ship is almost ready to conquer the waves again. The chief engineer signs the final safety inspection approval documents today. This officially clears the massive vessel for its upcoming maiden voyage. Water slowly floods back into the massive industrial dry dock area. The repaired ship gently floats off the heavy wooden support blocks. Tugboats carefully guide the giant vessel out of the busy harbor. The crew waves proudly from the high bridge of the ship. The successful rescue and repair operation sets a new global standard. We have learned valuable lessons in maritime safety and environmental protection. Let us look back at the incredible machines that saved us. Giant vacuum trucks sucked up thousands of gallons of toxic oil. Massive floating barriers contained the dangerous spill within a restricted zone. These simple yet effective tools protected hundreds of miles of coastline. High-pressure water hoses washed the stained rocks along the shore. The tireless workers scrubbed every single stone until it was clean. We owe a massive debt of gratitude to these silent heroes. They sacrifice their sleep and comfort to protect our beautiful planet. The Demolition Worker channel will always champion these industrial achievements. We highlight the raw power of heavy machinery and human determination. As the sun climbs higher into the clear blue morning sky, the ocean reflects its brilliant light like a giant shiny mirror. Sea turtles swim gracefully through the warm and inviting ocean currents. They navigate their ancient migration routes without any toxic chemical interference. The local coastal communities gather to celebrate the successful cleanup campaign. They host a beautiful festival on the newly restored sandy beach. Colorful kites fly high above the joyful and cheering local crowd. The atmosphere is filled with pure relief and deep, genuine gratitude. The mayor delivers a passionate speech thanking the brave cleanup crews. He presents a special award to the dedicated environmental protection team. A magnificent bronze monument is unveiled near the busy harbor entrance. It honors the tireless efforts of the brave disaster response workers. The monument depicts a strong worker holding a heavy containment boom. It will forever remind future generations of this historic environmental victory. We have proven that human industry can coexist with delicate nature. It requires careful planning, strict regulations, and a deep environmental respect. The advanced satellite monitoring systems continue to scan the vast ocean. They provide early warnings to prevent any future maritime environmental disasters. Drones fly over the strait to capture breathtaking aerial video footage. The panoramic views showcase the stunning natural beauty of the region. The deep blue water stretches endlessly toward the distant curved horizon. It is a powerful symbol of infinite hope and eternal renewal. Our journey through this devastating disaster has finally reached its end. We have witnessed both the worst and the best of humanity. The initial shock of the oil spill brought immense global sorrow, but the united response demonstrated our incredible capacity for positive change. Every single engineer, scientist, and worker played a highly crucial role. Their combined expertise transformed a massive tragedy into a beautiful triumph. The heavy construction equipment has now been cleaned and carefully stored. Massive yellow excavators rest silently in the large equipment yard. These powerful machines are always ready for the next big challenge. They are the true mechanical heroes of our modern industrial world. The ocean waves gently lap, against the sturdy concrete harbor walls. The rhythmic sound brings a deep sense of peace and tranquility. A lone seagull rests calmly on a wooden pier mooring post. It watches the busy harbor traffic with quiet and peaceful curiosity. The clear water reveals small, colorful pebbles on the shallow bottom. Sunlight dances across the stones in a mesmerizing display of light. We must always remember the fragile nature of our marine ecosystems. A single mistake can cause decades of severe and irreversible damage. But today, we choose to celebrate this remarkable and historic victory. The Strait of Hormuz is safe, clean, and full of life. The global shipping industry has implemented much stricter safety operational protocols. These new rules will help protect our oceans for future generations. Double-hulled tankers are now the standard for transporting dangerous liquids. This advanced design prevents catastrophic leaks during unexpected maritime collision accidents. Emergency response teams conduct regular training drills in the open water. They practice deploying containment booms with incredible speed and precise accuracy. The world is watching and learning from this highly successful operation. Other nations are adopting these advanced environmental cleanup techniques and technologies. The pristine beaches of the Strait are now attracting international tourists. People travel from far away to witness this beautiful restored paradise. Luxury cruise ships slowly navigate through the scenic and calm waters. Passengers stand on the decks to admire the stunning coastal views. The local economy is thriving once again thanks to the recovery. Hotels and restaurants are bustling with happy and excited new visitors. This incredible transformation is a direct result of our collective effort. When humanity works together, we can achieve truly amazing impossible things. The brave men and women of the cleanup crew have dispersed. They return to their families with a deep sense of pride. They carry the quiet satisfaction of having saved a precious ecosystem. Their heroic actions will be remembered in the history of conservation. The Demolition Worker channel is honored to share their amazing story. We believe in highlighting the positive impact of heavy industrial work. It is not just about tearing down old and ruined structures. It is also about rebuilding, restoring, and protecting our natural world. As the afternoon sun begins to slowly descend toward the horizon, the sky transforms into a stunning canvas of vibrant orange colors. The golden hour casts a magical and warm glow over everything. The entire strait looks like a beautiful painting brought to life. A gentle evening breeze sweeps across the calm and peaceful water. It whispers a quiet song of victory, healing, and eternal hope. The silhouette of a massive cargo ship crosses the glowing sun. It is a perfect picture of global commerce and natural harmony. The stars slowly begin to appear in the darkening evening sky. They reflect brightly on the smooth and glass-like ocean surface. The lighthouse at the edge of the strait turns on now. Its powerful beam sweeps across the dark water to guide ships. The steady flashing light is a comforting symbol of maritime safety. It ensures that no vessel will ever lose its way again. The nighttime ocean is calm, quiet, and completely free of danger. The marine life rests peacefully beneath the gentle and dark waters. Our comprehensive documentary series on this massive cleanup has concluded tonight. We have explored every single aspect of this complex environmental operation. From the initial devastating spill to the final glorious ecological recovery, we have documented the incredible resilience of both nature and humanity. We hope this series has inspired you to protect our oceans. Every small action counts towards preserving our beautiful and fragile planet. Thank you for joining us on this long and emotional journey. Your continued support allows us to tell these highly important stories. Goodbye from Demolition Worker. We will see you in the next